Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to cook gongura. Please do not use aluminium vessels as the oxalic acid present in gongura reacts with aluminium, making food toxic, whereas steel and earthen cookwares are safe to use. You may also use non-stick cookwares. Now in a pan, take 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, add 1 dry chili, fry it until they turn dark brown. At this point, I'm going to add half a tablespoon of mustard seeds and then 12 to 15 crushed garlic cloves. Once the garlic cloves turns golden brown, I'm going to add in the gongura. Mix it well. And then we are going to slow cook it for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, it gets reduced to almost 1/4. So after it gets reduced, we are going to add in our spices. Adding in half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, salt as per taste, and then I'm going to mix it well. Cook for another 2 minutes or so, and we are done. Gongura has amazing health benefits and is loaded with many vitamins and minerals. Do include it in your diet. Please do consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.